if you have questions, you can reach out to Steve directly or to the Wallafin team, any of us. And I think, Arindam, that concludes today's presentations of the workshop. If you want to say some closing remarks.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Amal. No, I'd like to thank you, all the participants and the presenters, and hope that you were informed by this workshop and have some good idea of how to integrate the capabilities of various facilities along with the SimCenter tools, and would be happy to have meetings with you individually to help your proposal development, whether it's a career proposal or unsolicited or any other proposal. So please feel free to contact us and the SimCenter. And again, thank you for joining. And that's it. Amal, Leonis, if you want to say something, or if Sanjay and Matt, I know that Greg left, but anyone from the SimCenter wants to say something, please go ahead.
Just a thank you to all. Yeah, go ahead, Amal.
Sorry, Anis. Yeah, just would like to thank everyone for their time and for the great discussion. I learned a lot from all the presentations and all the questions, so thank you very much. And we look forward to collaborating with you. Thank you.
Yeah. Same here. Thanks to all participants, and feel free to reach out at any point, any of us or Steve also, our site operations manager, if you have any questions. Thank you.
Any comments from the SimCenter? Okay, with that, we conclude our two-day workshop, and thank you everyone and have a great day. Bye.